There are moments in life that remind you just how quickly everything can change. One day you're living your normal life, and the next you're standing in front of what's left of your community. This isn't the kind of story we usually tell on Dang That's Awesome, honestly, because there's nothing awesome about watching people lose their homes, their businesses, their memories, or the sense of security that they woke up to just a few days ago. But today isn't about the tornado. Today is about what happened afterwards. Just 4 days after the tornado struck Menasha, Wisconsin on July 27th, 2026, something incredible happened at Mihm's Charcoal Grill. Not because anyone had to, not because it was good for business, but because people simply decided to help their community. See, neighbors showed up, volunteers gave their time, businesses donated what they could, and today hundreds of burgers were prepared for families, first responders, utility crews, and anyone whose lives have been turned upside down. Sometimes healing starts with something as simple as a hot meal. When something like this happens, it's easy to focus on the destruction, the pictures, the headlines, the damage. But what doesn't always make the news is everything that comes after. The people picking up branches in someone else's yard, the strangers delivering water, the volunteers working all day without asking for recognition. That's the story I wanted to tell today, because it's amazing how quickly complete strangers become neighbors. You see people that you've never met working side by side, checking on each other, sharing stories, sharing food, sharing hope. No one's asking who you voted for, what job you have, where you came from. They're just asking, do you need help? I wanted to spend a little bit of time talking about the people who made this happen, because every person here has a reason they showed up. Some lost their homes, some lost power, some came because they knew someone who needed help. Others just simply saw a need and decided to be part of the solution. See, that's what happened with Ryan and Amber, the owners of Mihm's Charcoal Grill, a restaurant that's been in the community practically forever. Ryan and Amber saw a need for their community to help, to reach out, to do what they could do to help the community, bring a little bit of normalcy in life, as well as feeding those who needed it. Because there's something special about a small community. When life is good, you might not notice it, because everyone's busy, going to work, running errands, living their own lives. But when disaster strikes, that's when you really find out who your neighbors are. Not because they tell you, because they show you. One thing I noticed about this special moment is nobody seems to care how tired they are. Nobody's keeping score. Nobody's asking for anything in return. They're just there, serving, helping, showing up for Menasha. See, maybe that's what hope looks like. Not some huge grand moment, just thousands of small acts of kindness stacked on top of one another. See, recovery, it doesn't happen overnight. It won't happen tomorrow. The debris will still be there. Insurance calls will still need to be made. Repairs, they'll still take months. Some families have a very long road ahead, but today, for just a little while at Mihm's Charcoal Grill, people were reminded they aren't walking the road alone. And sometimes that's exactly what someone needs to keep going. I've spent a lot of time filming restaurants. I've done tourist attractions, places to visit, things to do. But I don't know if I've ever filmed something that felt more important than this. Because this isn't really about burgers or potato chips or charcoal grills. It's about people. It's about choosing kindness when it would be easier to stay home. A business that's feeling the effects themselves, but still they're trying to help their community. They'll worry about their own problems later. It's about giving when nobody expects you to. And it's about proving that a community is much stronger than any storm that comes through it. The tornado may have changed this community forever, but it didn't take away its heart. If anything, it revealed just how much heart there is all along. To everyone volunteering, thank you. To everyone donating, thank you. To every first responder, every person that is in the community helping clean up, thank you. To the families that are trying to salvage what's left and start to rebuild over the next few weeks or months, we're thinking about you. And if this video reminds you of anything, I hope it's this. The strongest buildings, they can be rebuilt. And during that rebuilding process, communities become even stronger. When people decide to stand together, that's when amazing things can happen. And today, the awesome wasn't the food. It was the people behind it. I'm Josh with Dang That's Awesome. Thank you.